Hey, welcome to Let's Talk Development Football, where future stars and leaders of the game connect. Whether a player, a coach, or a club owner, siyeza kuwena to talk all things development football. Mina babukeli bethu nguMapholo Bawufuza Funela, washiya amahle ngasazoshumayela iqadi. Ngiwuswasilana-ke ePimville, eShapana Soweto kade kudlala Walter Sisulu Clinics. La kade kudlala khona iBlack Poison game yokugcina nePimville West Ham. Namhlanje-ke ngijoyinwe umgaga babukeli bethu umdlali-ke ngisuka kude naye lona ngiqala ukumlandela namhlanje ngisuka kude naye la ngeke ngilisho khona igama ngoba kuze kuthiwa siyayisupporta leya team kodwa Mkaka ubuya khona kuleyo team le ngeke ngize ngisho. Mkaka, welcome to the show mfana ngithi and congratulations ngegame namhlanje and well played. Usiyabonga wakamgaga odlala ku-Black Poison kade edlala as center back namhlanje washintsha during the game odlala as a right back. Babukeli bethu Mgaga, ijeni yakho iqala khona njengomdlali before ngize ngixoxela ababukeli bethu lokho engikwazi.
Icala sasemncane kakhulu vele Middlelands
Ngofire
ekhaya wathi
usuke eMidlands wayeBram Fisher Mgaga nje besho sengizolisha igama lale team ngimazela ku-Prestige babukeli bethu kade edlala khona ku-GDL Gauteng Development League under coach Spa. Umgaga ngimazi edlala center as defending midfielder ku-Black Poison. Mgaga ngibonise ukudlala i-center back uyidlala kahle kakhulu. Coach Musa utheni lokho, or how has that changed you as a player?
ngifike vele like bangisigada vele eThatha center back sakithi bangamukela kahle then baqala bangenza i-right back bakune-speed bayakwaya then bangiza center back ukuthi bayakwaya-ke ngibele ngidlala
Mkaka, ku-Black Poison you have senior players ebese kuba nani inside one. Leyo mixture leyo isiza kanjani team ye-Black Poison?
isiza kakhulu as we know for seniors wethu basigaya every day nge-training like basikhuthaza every day nanoma uthi ufuna ukubhekisa ikhanda phansi batshela hela
because they know the game.
Like isaseyinde le ndlela like yabo so isazoyihamba nabo balingile basigayela so keep on improving ngenxa yabo nje without them ngabe asimprove njengoba simprove.
Ucoach Musa ukholelwa kakhulu kuma-tactics ebholeni lesitikataka benikaningi ngiyathasha amanye ama-team engidlala nawo kakhulukazi la ku-Walter Sisulu Clinics bakholelwa kule bhola leyo bathi kasi flavor. Wena ungathi ukuba ngaphansi kwa-Coach Musa kukusiza kanjani wena njenge-player?
Like vele like noma ngikhula vele ngibukela ku-Barcelona so uma ngifika la abahle
kudlalwa le bhola
othandayo le bhola vele leli ngilibukela e-TV ku-Barcelona ngiyalithanda so ngadwela kulo then obviously njengoba ngikhule vele ngikuthanda kuzoba easy ukuthi vele ngidlale so ngavele ngadwela simple then start football selekitaki haya kukhaba siphume la abayithi kanjalo it's a football like
complete football. Babukeli bethu nje beseshilo Mgaga bhola edlalwa ku-Black Poison lihle kakhulu, mixture of flair, tactics and everything. Mgaga, uzibona ukuphi wena kulo 3 years ozayo? Ake sithi nje 3 years, short term goal ka 3 years, uzibona ukuphi wena njengomdlali?
kule 3 years ngifuna ukubona nje ku-PSL then after lapho sengingareacha enye igoli ukuthi ngifuna ukubona kuma-phesheya because umdlali vele ufuna
uzibona ngani?
so after 3 years nje uma ngazibona nje phesheya nje kuphela man PSL then ngajabula kakhulu because vele every player ufuna ukudlala la ku-PSL so if I get a chance there.
Babukeli bethu Mgaga usiyabonga usibona ku-3 years edlala ku-PSL kona wonke ama-team aku-PSL sinayo i-challenge. Wozani thumelana ama-scouts nizobuka i-Black Poison nizobuka uMgaga i-center back a very good center back. Mgaga, South Africa, we're doing justice to development football. Nombuzo nje ngiyawuthanda ukubuza because inhloso yethu i-ILS Soc Development Football silupromote i-development football yonke yase-South Africa. Are we doing justice e-South Africa as i-development?
Definitely. Because as we ubona la ama-player ku-PSL acela u-development.
Yeah.
Because more for development ufunda respect.
Yeah.
Ufunda into eningi ku-development, ufunda abo-trap and pass.
Yeah.
Uyazi ukuthi uma usuphumile ku-development,
So
sowazi yonke into abo-respect. Uma ufika
Yeah.
kwabanye ama-team, like suyadwela, like wazi everything because uyazi development ibazi fundisa and stuff. So important kakhulu development. And then ngasho kanjalo.
babukeli bethu ngithanda ukuchallenge yonke ama-province wonke abaphathi bebhola bonke South Africa ukuthi asibeni nama-well structured development leagues like i-Gauteng. All these boys abadlala ku-PSL, they adapt easily ku-PSL because they were well coached kephi ku-development yabo. Siyabonga kakhulu Mgagga ngokuthi ube naso ohlelweni lethu we-ILS Soc Development Football. Ngingakhohlwa ababukeli to subscribe ku-YouTube, follow us on TikTok. We-ILS Soc Development Football. Down.